Christ Noel, the angel did say, was too certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
They looked up and saw a star shining in the east behind them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
And by the light of that same star, 3 wise men came from country far to seek for a king was their intent, and to follow the star where'er it went. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
This star drew nigh to the northwest of Bethlehem. It took its rest, and there it did both stop and stay right on